Hello student, today we are going to discuss the second numerical of indeterminacy of trusses. Question is written as find the external static indeterminacy of the truss in the figure given below. Here a truss is shown ABCD. Okay, now we need to determine here what the degree of external static indeterminacy. We know the formula of external static indeterminacy, it will be equals to R minus S. Now what is R? It is the total support reaction. Now we know that at roller support there will be only one vertical reaction. At hinge support there will be two reactions, that is vertical and horizontal, and at roller support there will be only one reaction. Okay, now the total number of external reaction which will be present in this truss will be 4. Now what is the total number of equilibrium condition here? The equilibrium condition will always remains equals to 3 in case of truss. So if we put the value of R and S here, then the external static indeterminacy comes out to be 1. Okay, now we had determined the external static indeterminacy of this truss which will be equals to 1. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.